Course creators, listen up. This video is dedicated to course creators, that is people that sell programs online. If you sell a course, if you sell a mentorship system, consultancy, or maybe you have a cohort you run on a monthly basis or yearly basis or bi-weekly basis, then you need to listen to this video, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to sell. One of the drivers of your business, if you're a course creator, is when you make more sale. So why am I qualified to teach you this? I have sold to over 15,000 people and made multiple millions on this online space. So I am qualified to teach you how to increase your sales. I've been doing this for over 5 years and I have experience that I'm going to be sharing with you in the next few minutes. So listen up. Now, when it comes to selling online, there are two things you need to focus on, even if there are more, but basically two things. And what are those two things? Yes, you saw that right. You focus on lead generation and you focus on what? Conversion. Now, if you have a product to sell, maybe you want to teach people how to make money online using AI, and you just come online and maybe and your funnel is like this. You run ads and maybe to a funnel, maybe a landing page, then a checkout system. Now, no matter how cheap your product is, you're not going to make as much sale than when you do the exact thing I'm going to be showing you in this video. This way is a very good way. It helps you towards save stress. You don't need to like spend so much time talking to customers to convert them. This way is very good, but I call this way the words. I call this way the lazy way to make money with selling courses. This is a very, very lazy way to make money with courses. And I don't, if you're a beginner, I don't even advise you to just run ads to a funnel and just a checkout page. You're going to lose a lot of money. Do you know why? Because it takes someone a minimum, or let's say a minimum of seeing your offer 7 times. People need to see your offer 7 times before they take a buying decision. And guess what? You probably don't have a lot of money and you're just wrong. People may just only see your offer just once. And imagine when they see your offer once, oh, I like this thing, no, but pass. You're losing money. So you need to do it the smart way. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the smart way towards generate leads and convert your leads into paying customers. Now, when it comes to lead generation, there are so many factors you need to put into consideration just before you create your generating leads. Now, lead generation is the system of sending traffic into your business and getting them inside your funnel so that they can familiarize with your business and your offer potentially. So lead generation is maybe somebody doesn't know, you're telling people how to make marker, learn how to make marker. You understand? And if you want to learn how to make marker, join this group. So lead generation is like bringing people into your funnel. Then, when you bring people into your funnel, then the offer you're trying to give them is you're trying to teach them how to create the marker. You're trying to teach them how to create the marker. Now, but your lead magnet is like bringing them for free. Your lead magnet can be like a free trials or something. So it is that free lead magnet that is going to attract them. Your lead magnet can be a training, can be anything. So I'm going to be explaining these four matrix for you. Now, number one is the platform. Now, if you want to generate leads, there are 2 types of generating leads. We call it the paid ads. You have paid ads or you have organic. Paid ads is all about paying different platforms like Meta, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram some amount of money for them to show your offer. Show your offer to people. Show your offer to people. Your offer is what exactly you're presenting to people. Your offer is that thing that is going to bring people in. Your lead magnet is the product you give them. So now your offer is maybe like, let me use myself as an example. I hold trainings on how to teach people how to teaching people how to turn their knowledge into money, and I use maybe Facebook or Instagram or TikTok to generate leads. And the offer is teaching people how to turn their knowledge into money. That is the offer. The offer is the substance you're giving. The offer is like, hey, I'm offering you this. Then lead magnet is what they get. Lead magnet is the giving. You understand? Lead magnet is the product of the offer. Offer is just words. Offer can be your offer can just be something like learn how to turn your knowledge to money. Is an offer to bring you in. Then lead magnet is the thing you give. Now it can be in form of it can be in form of a webinar, it can be in form of an ebook, it can be in form of a short course, Now, this lead magnet is something that you give for what? You give for free. Yes, most people give it for free. Most people give your lead magnet for free, or you can also give it for a low price. But most times, if you're a starter, I recommend you give it for free. So offer is the general, offer is the general view. Offer is teaching people exactly how to what do the thing. You're like presenting them. I'm offering you a deal on how to. I'm offering you a deal to build this bridge. The lead magnet is when you actually build the bridge, the things you do. So I hope you understand that. Now, the most important thing is the strategy. The strategy is the most important out of all this. Now, the strategy is where many people get it wrong. Many people get it wrong in the strategy area because they do it wrongly. Now, the first thing is maybe the strategy is the algorithm, the step-by-step algorithm to bring people in. You need to clearly put it out there. So your algorithm can be something like you're getting people from what? TikTok. And the next place they go to is what? Your funnel, your landing page. Your landing page. Then the next place they go to is maybe your WhatsApp group or your WhatsApp channel. Then from your WhatsApp channel, maybe you're taking them over to what? YouTube to watch a free video. Now that's this place. Now this YouTube to watch a free video is called something called indoctrination. Indoctrination. Now indoctrination means you're starting to what? It's just like you're inducting them, you're initiating them into what? Into familiarizing with your brand. You're indoctrinating them into what? Familiarizing with your brand. No, because this YouTube video is probably not a 1 minute video. It can actually be like a 3 minute video or so. So this YouTube video is the indoctrinatory process. Now, maybe this is just something. This is just like a starter just for them to familiarize. Then the main training is going to be maybe like a live stream. A live stream. You can see. So this is how when people when people are indoctrinated in your system or initiated, then they go over to your lead magnets, which is the webinar or the ebook or whatever you're giving, your lead magnets, which is the live stream in this context. Then guess what? They they familiarize with your business, and they're already ready. You already watered them down to do business with you. But the problem is, can they actually, because of they joined your webinar or your live stream, does it mean that they will buy from you? The answer is no. The answer is no. So what I'm going to do right now, this video is already getting long and I don't want it to get long. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is conversion. I'm going to be teaching you how to convert these leads into paying clients, because you can do all these things. You can have a good platforms, you can have the best strategy, you can have the best offer, you can give the best lead magnets and still not make a sale. And that is a very painful part. So if you don't want to be in that situation whereby you're giving everything but you're not making one sale, then you need to watch the next video. So if you also want to learn how I use those things, the lead magnet system to get clients, get customers, then all I'm asking you to do right now is to click the link in the description, because I'm offering you a 7-figure digital skill stack that comprises of 7 high income skills you should learn. Number 1, copywriting. Number 2, sales, marketing, and every other thing you need to expand your making money opportunity online. Or if you just want to learn copywriting and get mentored by me, you can also join my program called Dominated Copywriting. All link is in the description. So with that being said, see you in the next video.